Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Mount Vernon, local and long distance movers near me. If you're wishing to take the stress out of your move, our professional movers make your long distance move much easier. We help you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to 1,500 miles. By having the best moving services to assist you, any type of relocation, big or small, becomes a lot easier. If you're searching up for a standard move or a full service move, our company offers all the options you require, including packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to hire a local Illinois moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. When you look at the main advantages you get, the cost can seem easier to manage. You get the benefits of saving time on your local move, which may be well worth it. Eliminating the heavy lifting also gives you another benefit you get from working with the best local movers. With our experienced movers, you get a very effective move from beginning to end. You don't have to worry about spending several days handling your move when you pick 3 movers to help. We can easily complete even the largest moves in just a couple of hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Mount Vernon moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.